Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Just Ellie. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare oats porridge. So some people call it Quaker oats because of the brand that's become so popular, but we simply call it porridge in Trinidad and Tobago and many other countries in the Caribbean. You start off by boiling your water and adding your oats. As the oats boil along with the water, I continue to stir the oats so that it will not stick to the sides or the bottom of the pot. I'm using a stainless steel pot here. This oats would not take long to boil. To the oats, I'm also going to add some flaxseed. And flaxseed is also known as linseed. This has amazing benefits as you can see on the screen there. I also add condensed milks. Of course, other persons may prefer to add full cream milk, almond milk, or oat milk, depends on what they like. As the oats start to become like this, it's about 5 minutes into boiling time. Some people don't actually boil their oats, they just add it to hot water. Then I add my oats to my linseed, flaxseed, and my condensed milk. Alternatively, you can boil everything together, but this is the way I prefer to do it. Now you stir everything so they're well incorporated, and I leave it for a little while so that the linseed starts to absorb the water. So I've added some cranberries and I'm also adding some dried strawberries. Any dried fruit will do. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe for more. Bye.